Psalm chapter 99. Praise to the Lord for his holiness. Verse 1. The Lord reigns, let the peoples tremble. He dwells between the cherubim, let the earth be moved. Verse 2. The Lord is great in Zion, and he is high above all the peoples. Verse 3. Let them praise your great and awesome name. He is holy. Verse 4. The king's strength also loves justice. You have established equity. You have executed justice and righteousness in Jacob. Verse 5. Exalt the Lord our God and worship at his footstool. He is holy. Verse 6. Moses and Aaron were among his priests, and Samuel was among those called upon his. They called upon the Lord, and he answered them. Verse 7. He spoke to them in the cloudy pillar. They kept his testimonies and the ordinance he gave them. Verse 8. You answered them, O Lord our God. You were to them God who forgives, though you took vengeance on their deeds. Verse 9. Exalt the Lord our God and worship at his holy hill, for the Lord our God is holy.